my wonderful Taurus. How did your full moon go? So today is the last day, right? So this is the last day that we have the power of the full moon. I told you how powerful it is because it's coinciding with the Aquarian age, and this is an Aquarian full moon, you know, the time for revelation, and it is so powerful I cannot even say, everything fully. It's that powerful. So if you're seeking any answers, all right, I have last slots today. I'm gonna close the readings for the full moon because this is the last day the power will be available. I saw your energy. Wow, this is a money reading and you have the Ace of Pentacles. Whoa, this is great. So this is what is coming to you, I guess, under the Aquarian full moon. Wow, this is beautiful. Money is coming and an offer is coming towards you that is going to make you jump for joy. Do not miss it, but because I see you missing it. Don't, okay? This is the advice. Look at that, the offer is being given. There is this cup being given, but this man is not looking at it. He's closing his eyes. You got it? No, this is not supposed to be what you're doing. The offer is like something very creative as well, because beneath that I'm seeing the Ace of Cups. So it has to be the coming together of something that you love, that is just gonna kindle your creativity and make you more happy soul wise. When you work, you're gonna feel extremely happy. You're gonna love your job, and that's gonna give you money. That is the ultimate goal of every single human being that's being created here, right, on earth. Beautiful. Okay guys, so let's start. Let's see what all is coming for you. This is Salt. This is Success and Love Tarot. May the success and lots of love and prosperity be yours, okay? Alright, so if you want to book the reading, please be quick and do it. Alright, so let's see. And remember, this is a general reading, guys. It may or may not resonate for everybody, but you have to watch your moon sign, your ascendant, your Jupiter, okay? And your Venus, if it is not resonating. What beautiful cards. I saw the King of Swords as well, and I'm seeing the Queen of Swords. So I think there is a major clarity that is coming towards you. Something major, great clarity about some issue. And we're dealing with the career situation here. So obviously you got the Queen of Cups as well. A lot about creativity. Did we see the Ace of Cups as well? So you are gonna get something that you're absolutely gonna love, Taurus. It's beautiful, okay? And this is your own energy. Look at that. You got the Ace of Pentacles. So something new is coming, brand new is coming. It is an opportunity that is coming to you from the gods, from the universe, right? So, and that is earthy of nature, which is your element, right? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, earth element. So this is going to be highly grounded. It's going to be highly lucrative. It's going to be something that's going to give you the roots. You got it? So this is not something that is going to be a fleeting offer. Like once it comes, it's going to be poof, gone within a few weeks. It's not going to be like that. If you use it in the right way, this will be the gateway. This will be the gateway to immense property, major money is what I'm seeing. And this is also something that's going to make you very, wow, look at that. I just saw the Ace of Rods. So that is like making 3 aces in this reading already within like, I think 3 or 4 minutes of the reading starting, right? So this is great. This is a new offer that's going to be very passionate. It's going to be giving you a lot of happiness. And it's going to be creative. It's like, it'll let you talk. It'll let you paint. It will let you sing and talk. Like, I don't know. It's going to really make you happy soul-wise. It's going to have more communication, because I see the Swords energy, which is communication. I see the Cups. It's going to be kindling your emotions in the right way, Poems, writing poems, poetry, songs, music, singing, playing instruments. You could start a band, that's going to just blow up in the internet or something like that. If you have a YouTube channel, you could just become a motivational speaker. That's also there because we have this Queen of Swords. Your thoughts are getting aligned, Taurus. Your thoughts are getting aligned. There is this newfound clarity as far as your thoughts are concerned, which is good. So the signs that I see over here is obviously your signs, that is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. god. 10 of Cups, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And you want to know the next card? Jesus. The Magician. What? I'm like, this is like amazing, guys. This is so good. You have all the resources. You have all the resources. And you know, I see a blow up that's happening in your social media. You're gonna become big in the internet. Some of y'all could become internet sensations, major stars. The Page of Swords. People will always keep stalking your social media. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You're probably gonna be very enticing. You're gonna be very attractive to the young population. You know, they're gonna drive them insane. Your merchandise, you know, could just make you a lot of profit. Whatever you're gonna start, okay, see to that you have a lot of merchandise, you know, because you don't even have to be bothered about what product is that and all that, because you know, the products are being bought because they love you. You understand? It's not because of those products that they're gonna buy those products. They like it because they have a piece of you in those products. It's made by you. Understand? That's love, guys. That's like beautiful. That's affection. That's the madness, you know, they have towards you, which is good. This is great, and it's gonna be making you so happy. All right. Okay. Yeah, the Moon is here. Again, the Page of Swords is here. And the Four of Pentacles is here. Let me just try to put it, you know, so that you can see it clearly. So the Ace of Pentacles, here you got the Magician, and these guys are here. Then Magician, you got the Four of Pentacles, the Moon. There you got the Moon, and you got the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords is coming again. This is huge, guys. This really is huge. This is certainly talking about fame. Okay, and yes, I'm definitely asking you to book the reading now, because there'll be revelations that are going to be groundbreaking for you. You will get to know the details if you would like to know what it is that you're supposed to do right now. Anything, whatever is causing you this stuckness, whatever is making you feel that, oh my god, it's too outlandish, it maybe isn't true. If you have those doubts, or whatever it is that you want to know, plan of action. Is there any investment? How much should you invest? Or should you just wait for angel investors and all that stuff? Should you put the cash from your side, or should others be putting your cash upon your ideas, and you should be selling your ideas more than tangible items? All of these questions, you will get beautiful answers, okay? And I'm telling you again, today I'm going to be closing. Because that's it. I cannot do it anymore, because the full moon energy will just be there now and it'll be gone, okay? But even though the Lionsgate portal is gonna be there, this is a double whammy, guys. I mean, come on, because you have the double 888, you know, portal, which is called as the Lionsgate portal in the sign of Leo. So it's the lines just got cut, you know, so I'm going to continue. So it's a Lionsgate portal, you know, something that people just wait for. Basically, the other civilizations used to have their new year, you know, because Sirius is the blue star. It's called as a spiritual star. If Sun is the star that we know of, Sirius is a spiritual star, you know, and the birthday of Sirius, we may call it that. So that is when the high vibration, the portal will literally open, the highest vibrations come to us. So to receive it, to revamp ourselves, to create the space, to clear the space, to get the new high vibration, all of these things will be done on that date, okay? And the energies has already started. You will see multiple people actually doing the Lionsgate you know, portal readings already, okay? So this is a double whammy. It's coinciding with the full moon energy and this, okay? Insane, guys. And on the 8th, obviously, it's a new moon, okay? So it's just too much of energy. And as I already told you, this is a rare moon, okay? So make use of the opportunity. You want to see the next card? 3 of Cups, guys. This is celebration, joining together with people, partnership, people wanting to work with you. Who wouldn't want to work with you? You're blowing up in the internet. Okay, you have the opportunity to do it. And if you don't have plans of just extending yourself in the social media, please work out a plan. Okay, if you need any advice, please reach out. If you need to remove blocks, if you see money is not coming towards you, reach out, because there are ways you can do it, and money would not stop. The moment you reach me out, start expecting miracles. Okay, seriously, I'm not even joking. So yes, celebration is coming towards you guys, and we have the moon card. You could be getting a very prominent Pisces in your life. Be a little careful though. I'm going to clarify this because there could be hidden details that you're not aware of, like especially when you're signing something and all that. You want to be wary of that. Okay, so let's go more. Look at that, you're getting beautiful offers. We have the King of Rods. Okay, this is passionate new messages, somebody reaching out, you getting some beautiful opportunities knocking at your door. Wow, your career reading is beautiful. And if that is not enough, you have another person also coming towards you. Could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, who's coming towards you. Okay, so this could be something very creative. Now this could be something that is that's very fast and all that stuff. A lot of impulsivity, just with the zest and with the push and with the full throttle kind of energy. That is the King of Rods. The Knight of Cups is going to be more mellow, more emotional, more on the poetry, poem, music, instruments kind of stuff. So you could be dealing with something which is a coming together of both as well. I do see acting and painting and all of that. Okay, or even starting a company that involves fragrances, such as a juice company, tinned products and stuff like that, making fragrance oils, making essential oils, making candles, making perfumes, these kind of stuff. I'm seeing all of that. Okay, and I'm seeing the Sun card. This is the best card to have in any reading, and you have that Estee Lost card over here. This is Leo energy, and as I told you, the Sun is gonna be in Leo, and the Sun card is the Leo card. So you could have a very significant person. Look at that, you got the moon here and you got the Sun here. Oof, beautiful. All right, it is just fantastic. This reading is just not missing anything at all. It has everything to make a fantastic businesswoman or a businessman. Okay, but as I told you, the advice would be that you take care when it comes to signing agreements. Okay, you got more Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Wow, look at that. You got the Six of Pentacles here. So see to that, somebody doesn't give too much or somebody doesn't take too much. You want to keep it equal. Okay, that is when balance is going to prevail, and that's going to be a beautiful partnership happening. No breadcrumbing or trying to eat off the other person's profit. So, and also we have Strength card, a double Leo. So I think it's very prominently shown that the Lionsgate portal is like super important for you. Okay, so I'm also seeing, oh god, lots of pentacles. There is the Seven of Pentacles. So this is harvest time, guys. It's going to be huge harvest, and you are gonna mint money. It's gonna make you so stable. The King of Pentacles is there underneath. This is your energy. So there is major money, major money, or prospects for you to make incredible amount of money. And take it slow, and definitely get into the spiritual path. Okay, you don't want to get any wounded, so you really want to take your time. You want to have some spiritual practices in place to get this all going. Okay, so that I see very prominently, guys. And for the Lionsgate portal reading, I'm making a small groups, okay, so that I don't get fragmented, and I'm able to give maximum to everybody who's participating. So this will be on August 8th, and I'm already opening. Okay, so it's going to be $30, and you will be with me getting some invaluable details and stuff like that for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay, and from that point on, your life will be just changed. Take it from me. The moment you attend that, that's it. Partnerships coming towards you again. I'm seeing the Six of Cups. So this is like, people who are who probably are just going to be back in your life from your past, you know, schoolmates and people you went to college with and all that people. So they could be coming, or even like people, the colleagues you worked with, you know, your neighbors, somebody you really trust and everything, they could be coming back. Okay, and that could be just great. That could be just great. And that will probably allow you to just have some relaxed time. You know, you could just trust them. You absolutely can trust them, you know, because they give you the strong foundation kind of feeling. And I'm also seeing that your family could be involved in this, in your business, because the Hierophant card is your card. So this could have been an institution, religious institutions, spiritual institutions as well. If you know any spiritual leader and all, or mentor, or somebody from the church, from the mosque, from wherever, these people could give you lots of valuable information and offers as well. Okay, so that's what I see here. This is fantastic. Just don't miss this opportunity, is all I can say. Okay, please don't, because it doesn't keep coming again and again. The Aquarius moon, not funny, not supposed to be missed, and you just have hours left, and today is over. That's it. Okay, and it'll take a while to basically have an Aquarian moon in the Aquarian dawn age, right? And the same thing, especially when it's coinciding with the Lionsgate portal 8/8, I told you. Okay, all right guys, so that's what I have for you. I'm gonna take one last card for your advice, and that's it. What's the last advice for Taurus as far as career is concerned? Guys, give me a like, share, and subscribe, and go and call this marvelous reading as yours in the comment section. And thank you so much for all the donations that you keep coming. It really helps me to grow my channel. I'm so thankful and grateful for the love and affection. So if you'd like to support my channel, you can just go to the link. Everything is there in the description box. You know, you can support me on PayPal. Oh, okay. Your advice is the Seven of Swords. So beware of cheating. And also, yeah, I'm seeing the Six of Cups along with that at the bottom of the deck. So you better be careful of, cheating. Or this is like, maybe not even cheating. But the thing is that, laziness. Somebody could be lazy. Somebody could be coming back into your life. Probably your relative, somebody you're married to, your ex-girlfriend, boyfriend, or your friends, your best friend, or whoever, their family. Somebody could come off into a partnership with you, and just cause they are your friend and all that, they may take advantage, and because of that they could be lazy or something like that, escapism, escaping doing hard work. Now that could cost you, that could really cost you. So be wary of that. And you could also be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, who's more of a pessimist, who always kind of looks at, or keeps complaining, and not the positive attitude kind of boy or girl, man, woman. So they're gonna drag you down by just being them, by being the negative self. So you want to be really, really careful with that, because you want to concentrate on these people not being like that. Okay, thank you guys so much. I love you. Bye.